Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Bigyan natin ngayon ng opinion, reaction itong post ni Attorney Harry Roque. Updates from The Hague. Defense replies to the prosecution's response to the defense challenge on jurisdiction. Summary highlights. Okay, to me, good news itong highlights na pinost ni Attorney Roque tungkol sa uswag sa Bisaya, paggulong ng kaso ni PRRD sa ICC. Okay. The defense team of former President Duterte asked the International Criminal Court for the immediate and unconditional release of the former chief executive. There is no jurisdictional basis for the continuation of proceedings against Mr. Duterte. Yon ang nakalagay sa reply. Kasi ganito po yon. Una, ang defense nagsubmit ng argument o petition ba sa ICC na wala ng jurisdiction ang ICC sa kaso ni PRRD. So yung petition or argument na yon, nagsubmit ng position ang prosecution. Of course, kinontra nila yon. So ngayon, ang defense nagsubmit ng reply sa argument ng prosecution. I don't know, baka ang prosecution mag-submit din siya ng kanyang counter-reply. Ganon yung nakikita kong proseso. So ito, sa reply ng defense, nanawagan ulit ang mga abogado ni PRRD for the immediate and unconditional release of the former president. Okay, PRRD's defense team first question the delay of the prosecution in disclosing materials related to the proceedings. The prosecution's failure to initiate goes beyond mere oversight. Such willful neglect palpably impeded the defense preparation of the jurisdictional challenge. Yan ang sinabi ng defense. Okay, next. The defense, likewise, asserted that the ICC cannot investigate acts committed to the state that is no longer party to the Rome Statute at the time jurisdiction is exercised. At the end of the day, it is the prosecution which must shoulder the responsibility for its miscalculated and untimely erroneous decision not to investigate within the designated time period. Ganito, umalis tayo sa ICC, I think 2018, so kailangan pa ng 1 year. So after 1 year, nung 2019, wala na. Totally out na tayo sa ICC. Ang prosecution, saka lang nag-imbestiga, 2021 na. Bakit mo iimbestigahan yung isang state na hindi naman member, hindi nasakop sa ICC? Yun ang argument o contention ng defense. Masyadong, kung ang prosecution sana nag-investigate mula noong 2016, pag-upo ni PRRD hanggang 2019, pwede pa. Kasi hindi pa tayo umalis sa ICC. Bakit 2021 na nung mag-imbestiga sila? Kaya wala nang jurisdiction. Ganun po. Ano pa? Also, the defense rejected arguments invoking the fight against impunity to justify an interpretation of the Rome Statute. Even if combating impunity is deemed by many to be the raison d'etre of the International Criminal Court, the pursuit of accountability over a suspect's right to legal property and due process. Ano daw? Ang ginawa ng prosecution is, ano yon? Fight against impunity. Impunity, ang pagkakaintindi ko, yung willful ba ng isang tao na ginagawa na lang niya ang gusto niya, impunity na parang siya na lang ang bida dyan, kaliwat kanan ng AJK, ganon ang impunity. Yun ang rason na kahit umalis na ang Pilipinas sa ICC dahil yung ginagawa ng Duterte administration is walang hampas na pagpaslang, pag-EJK. Kaya, yun, nag-investigate pa rin ang prosecution. Anyway, bala ng mga judges. The lawyers of the former president underscored that Mr. Duterte has never expressed a desire to shrink accountability. Quoting the statement given by Mr. Duterte upon his assent, "If I committed a sin, prosecute me in the Philippine courts with Filipino judges and I will allow myself to be jailed in my own nation." Yun. Ginamit ng prosecution yung statement ng Pangulo natin na hindi siya umiiwas sa accountability. Sabi ng Pangulo, PRRD, kung may kasalanan ako, usigin nyo ako sa aking bansa at ikulong basta sa aking bansa. So, ibig sabihin, handa si PRRD na harapin ang consequences ng kanyang war on drugs. Kailang, dapat sa kanyang bansa. So, ang tanong, bakit hindi ginawa dito sa Pilipinas? Functioning man ang ating mga korte. Bakit dalhin pa sa ICC na wala namang, hindi naman tayo member sa ICC? Ganun po ang rason. So, sana, pagdasal natin ng mga judges, ma-open up ang kanilang yung wisdom ba or ano, na pagbigyan nila ang petition na palabasin na si PRRD dahil wala nang ang jurisdiction ang ICC. Okay? So, magbasa lang ako ng mga few comments. Cecilio Katingob, yes, Duterte never disowned the AGK and be used to say he assumes responsibility. He is willing to face trial in court by a Filipino judge and get jailed in a Philippine jail. Ganun lang yan. Eh, bakit mo dalhin sa banyaga?